Just sit back in your chairs and start relaxing, getting into that quiet space. And just take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. Take another deep breath in and let it go. Allow your mind to be quiet, yourself to just simply be here now. And just relax. And just follow my voice. And as we go deeper into this experience, I want you just to imagine yourself just standing in the space where you can notice this pattern that keeps showing up over and over and over again. And we're just going to witness it and observe it. We're not going to judge ourselves. There's no shame here, no blame, no judgment, no guilt. This is a pattern that you've walked many times. And so as we're walking down the street, just imagine that ahead of you, you can see this challenge, this pattern, and maybe it's appeared again. Maybe it's shown up as different people, different circumstances. Regardless of what it is, it's still the same pattern, the same thing, has the same feelings. But this time, instead of ignoring it or denying it, we're going to look at it. And understand that maybe, just maybe, the reason this thing keeps showing up is because on a deeper level you wanted to see it, you wanted to understand it, you wanted to learn from it. And so now just imagine that you're standing next to this lesson, you're not inside of it. So you're separating yourself from this lesson. Just imagine that you're no longer trapped by it. You're simply observing it. Imagine that you're looking at it with curiosity. And then you ask yourself gently, what if this is here to teach me something? What if this is not a punishment, but instead it's an invitation? Now take a slow breath and ask, what is this here to teach me? I really want to know. I'm really tired of this thing showing up in my life. I really want to be done with this. I'm ready to learn the lesson. We're not here to force any answer. We're here just to listen. And then we ask, if I was really, and I have fully learned this, what would be different? How would I think? How would I speak? How would I act? Who would I become? And again, whatever comes is enough. We're not trying to force anything. But who would that new version of me be? Would I be more courageous? More loving? More trusting? More authentic? Whatever that would look like, whatever that version of yourself would be, allow it to appear before you. And just notice. Does that version of yourself look a little differently? Notice how you stand, this new version, how you speak, how you move through life. But now what I want you to do is imagine yourself stepping into that new version of yourself. Feel what it feels like to have already learned the lesson, to move past the lesson, to step in this new version of you. You've already integrated the lesson. In this space, you've already become it. Just imagine that. And from this new space, this new you, we want to acknowledge it and silently say, I honor this lesson. I honor everything it's taught me. And I also release any need to repeat it. I also release any belief that I must continue suffering in order to grow. At this time, I'm willing to move forward. I am willing to become someone new, to open my next chapter. Take one final deep breath. Feel the gratitude for your journey, the gratitude for your growth. Thank yourself. Honor yourself. This hasn't been easy. But also be grateful for this new version of yourself as well. Take one final deep breath in. Start to come back into your body, back into your chair, feet on the floor.